Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious rich croissant bread pudding. This is an indulgent dessert, guys. It is made with layers of buttery toasted croissants pieces submerged in a rich, creamy custard baked to perfection. So let's jump right into this video. So this is the croissants. You can actually use any bread of your choice, old stale bread, because you're going to toast it up anyways. But I love to use croissants, and I'm using all butter croissants or brioche because the texture is so delicious. So here I'm adding 3 egg yolks, 1 egg, some orange peel. Make sure to remove that rank from the eggs, and that is that little white thing right there. Yep. Then I'm going in with some condensed milk. Now, if you don't have condensed milk, you can definitely use sugar. And I'm adding some half and half and some carnation. Some very good vanilla extract, guys. Some cinnamon and nutmeg. Whisk that up. Then to a nice greased Pyrex dish, you're going to add your toasted croissants. Next, you are going to strain your custard. And then pour that right over the toasted croissants. Make sure it is covered and submerged in that rich, creamy custard. I did add some raisins for topping, some mixed raisins and cherries. You can add chocolate, you can add berries, your choice of toppings. Then I did sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder, baked until it is nice and golden brown. And you're going to let this sit and cool before you cut, which I did. I mean, it was a struggle, but you know. So here I am cutting. And you can see the layering. It is gorgeous. The taste is just out of this world. Absolutely beautiful, I guarantee it. So I did add one strawberry, and I drizzle some condensed milk. You can add other berries if you like, or you can just eat as is. It is just as good. And this is what it looks like. Finished product. Absolutely beautiful. So today I want to thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. If y'all have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to do so. Like, share, drop me a comment. Let me know if bread pudding is your thing, if you ever had it. If not, I hope you try this recipe because it's going to blow your mind. All right, so be kind to yourself and each other, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Somebody stop me.